Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be flipping through some new items from the Happy Planner that actually already released. So these are currently available to purchase if you are interested. I'll have my affiliate link down in the description. So this is part of the Pride collection this year from the Happy Planner, and it is a collab with the artist Bug Robbins. So I'm gonna flip through everything because there's some really cool illustrations in here. I love the little doodles. I'm really excited. Like, there's some really pretty florals. There's accessories, a little bit of everything, which is nice. So we're gonna go over everything in this collection so that way you can check it out and see if it's something that you would want in your planner collection. So let's go over first like accessories, then we'll go planners. Well, there's a notebook, and then sticker book last. So we have some discs. These are metal discs. I always love to get some metal discs. And this one has a fun new pattern. Actually, I don't think they've done a pattern like this. They've been doing different patterns. Okay, I'm gonna have to rip this whole box. I didn't want to rip the whole box, but it's gonna have to happen. But yeah, some fun new like designs in the center, just to change it up a little bit. And this one's a really pretty blue color, as you can see. Really nice blue. And then we have like a little starburst kind of cut out in the center, which is really nice. So again, these are metal discs. There's 11 pieces, so you can use this from mini to big size. And yeah, they're really pretty. Pretty blue color. I don't think I have a blue like this, so that's nice. Ooh, this would be perfect for like some upcoming winter, like if you like to seasonally change out your planner, like a winter theme, or Christmas. I love that kind of blue. All right, next we have some paper. So, oh, and you get a little info on Bug Robbins on the back. Very nice. I love the little bug doodles. They're so cute. Okay, so let's see what's in here. This is just filler paper, which I love. I love filler paper, so excited for some new ones. Okay, so it's this nice like shade of purple. I used to be like a huge fan of purple when I was younger, and that's like coming back into my life, like pink and purple, and like the planning stuff. But yeah, purple's really pretty. And then we have like confetti on the side. It says all of your dreams are possible, and it's like a dotted lined paper. And then look at the back, little these leaves and the florals. Those are really cute. So double-sided and lined. And I believe, yeah, those are everything's the same. And I think they're 40 sheets. Yeah, 40 sheets of filler paper in here. So that's a really nice set of filler paper. And then I believe there's a notebook. Yes. Okay, this is where you can kind of see like the doodles, like the little bumblebee is super adorable. Okay, so let's open this. This is basically more filler paper, which I love. I love getting the, oh my goodness, the florals. So pretty. Okay, so let's go over the cover first. So it's a dotted lined notebook. Look at the green, the flowers. Oh my goodness, this one has his tongue sticking out. And you got a ladybug right there. It's so cute. And if you know me, I love like the little trails. I appreciate the little trails coming off of the bee. Love that little detail. Okay, and then the inside has these really pretty purple florals. And then we have the dividers. Cute. Oh, the paper is really pretty because you have the floral detail, a little, there's like some little ladybugs mixed in there. Ooh, that's really nice paper, and it's a dotted lined paper. Let's see the back. Okay, and then on the back, kind of the same. This one has a quote that says, "Embrace all that is you." So that is all the paper that's in here. This one says, "Love you, bestie." It's cute. And we got the flowers. Cute, cute, cute. The flowers are really pretty. Okay, in the back cover. That's so cute. All right, so that is the dotted lined notebook. That one's really pretty. Let's go into the planner next. So let me pull out all this stuff. Oh, no, this is not a planner. This is one of those cool like journals. It's a classic journaling layout. Okay, so here's the cover. Be proud of who you are no matter what. Love that. Little ladybug. This is like a little worm. Is that a worm? I think it is. Or is it a butterfly? I'm not sure. But yeah, love the illustrations. Okay, so let me take this off. All right, so first divider. This is going to be undated, and it is a journaling layout. And this one's a cool journaling layout, so I'm excited. So we have, oh, look how pretty this is. I love the pops of color too. So this month's goal, habit trackers, read watch list. What do you plan to read or watch during this month? Love that. I'm more of a watch person, so I could totally do that. Power words, list 3 words that can help drive you to reach your goal. And then this month's to-dos, take care of you first. Okay, so that's a nice like little monthly page to set off the month. Then we have a letter to yourself. Write a letter to yourself to look back on later this year. Reminder, the way you speak to yourself matters, so be kind. So you can write a little letter to yourself. And then these are the weekly sheets. This week's priorities. How can you take action to make sure these priorities happen? How can you apply this month's power words to these priorities? And then things you're excited for. You have 3 things. Oh, this is cute. Listening to, and then you can write like what you're listening to and like what it is. Is it the artist, the song, the meditation, album, book, podcast? Is listening to this bringing up any emotions or sparking any thoughts? So you kind of reflect on that. And I love, again, the little illustrations. Those are fun. Okay, next one, mood of the day. So you get to pick like your mood and then how are you feeling today? Give yourself a compliment. Create a positive affirmation, help motivate and guide you throughout your day. Example, I am in charge of how I feel and today I am choosing happiness. You can do a little affirmation there. List 3 things that are inspiring you today. Nice. Then the next day, so it changes up like the themes, which is good because I feel like when it's the same thing over and over again, it gets a little boring. So you kind of want a little bit of a change and something new to look at. I love that little bee. Progress, not perfection. What are 2 lessons you learned today? So you can jot those down there. Another mood of the day. Note to self. Remember to be kind. And then a gratitude section right there. Okay, and then it goes into the affirmation. Oh, wait, I skipped a page, sorry. Now we go into more of a self-care checklist. You have the mood of the day. Again, doodle. Jot down your thoughts or doodles. Just have some fun. So you can have like a little free space here to do what you want. And then remember this. And then this next page says, fill your cup with positivity. List 3 ways to encourage positivity in your day. So you have like a cup you can fill with your positive stuff. Mood of the day, again. Write down the word of the week. What does this word mean to you and why? How can you apply this word to your daily life? Okay, and then it goes back into the affirmation, the progress, not perfection, and then the self-care, and then it goes into a dot grid page here. Okay, and then the next week. So this whole section right here, it'll be the same thing. It'll just repeat. This tab section is 1 month, so you do get 4 months worth of these journaling pages. So let's just go over the dividers. Love you, bestie. I think these are the same. Well, these 3 are the same dividers. This is another one. To love oneself is the beginning of a lifelong romance. Okay, now the inside. Okay, so it's a fun journal. I feel like there was a journal like this, like a doodly kind of journal like this before. People really loved it. It was really hard to get your hands on. So yeah, I feel like that's another good one that kind of was similar to that really popular journal they came out with, I think like a couple years ago. All right, so that is the Blooming with Pride journaling layout little planner. And then last but not least, we have a really cute book. I'm really excited to see all the illustrations in here. All right, so the Blooming with Pride sticker book, 30-page sticker book here. Here's the first page. Happy to be me, Pride vibes, create a life you love. Okay, then more of the decorative boxes. The future is queer. As I said, queerness is natural. Oh, and then we get some functional kind of checklist boxes and grid boxes. Well, rounded boxes. I never know what to call those. A checklist, double boxes, pretty colors. Ooh, this one's like that pretty blue foil. So you got some circle ones, circle quotes here. And then these are circles too, but in like a colorful, fun rainbow pattern. Functional take note boxes. Then quotes. Shine so bright they can't look away. Hooray for the weekend. You make this rainbow brighter. So you have, I love these kind of like long, thin quotes. Then today boxes. Some more of them are foiled. Rainbow today boxes. Ooh, these are fun. This is just a fun, like, it looks like speckled kind of paint. Oh my goodness, cannot grab this one. Okay, but yeah, that one looks fun. But they are boxes, today boxes. And little banners. Ooh. Okay, so this is a lot of fun pattern. But it's like washi stickers, like the little strips of washi stickers. And so is this. So you get this fun patterned black one and then a rainbow one. Okay. Ooh, the florals, so pretty. Spread love, not hate. Live with pride. And then we have hello today. Just some fun florals and a quote. There's a cute little bumblebees. Love that. Oh, bigger bumblebees. Love that even more. Be proud of who you are no matter what. This would be cute to like stick after like one of these little trail bits. Like it's kind of like going into the wording. Okay, some pretty florals. And then some quotes. Spread love, not hate. Loud and proud. So foiled quotes here. And then we have more foiled quotes. All feelings are okay. The future is queer. Stay true to you. And then you get them in paper. Ooh, these have like, okay, they are clear and then they have like little specks of foil, which I actually really like that. That there's just like these little hints of foil that's like sparkly. So that's pretty. Ooh, I really like these. These are like side ones that are already cut, so you can put them like on the edge of your page. Those are pretty. Oh, are these like the little, okay, these are like the little doodles with the flowers and the little bees and ladybugs and stuff in there. Then more florals. Oh, more of those cute little bumblebees. So cute. Okay, so that is the book, Blooming with Pride. And those are all the items. Let me see if I can get them all because I kind of just piled them over here. But yeah, those are all the items that are released, or actually have released. How to move my desk down. But yeah, we have a nice variety of items. You got your accessories, fun new journals, sticker books, paper, all that. It is available now to purchase. Again, my affiliate link will be down in the description if you're interested. But that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.